Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's April 19th, 2023. I'm out in Huntington Beach right now, about 2:30 in the afternoon, looking at these really pretty flowers. We've had some rain lately, which I don't really trust, but it is making some of the vegetation grow. But you gotta look up at the sky here. Look at this. Look at these sky turds. Look at this thing. It looks like a freaking whale. You got this, you got fresh ones up here. They're everywhere. Back in here. But this one I'm showing here, this gigantic one, I was out here about 10 minutes ago and it was really small, and look how it spreads out. You guys have seen it. If you're watching the sky, you know about this stuff. So, just wanted to share this with you. I wish people would wake up. I really do. I'm so tired of having to show everybody this stuff. Thank you guys who are awake, though. Operation Skyria. All right, I'm out.